Learn with Billy.
Please subscribe. Click on the like button.
When we think of St. Patrick's Day, we think of Ireland. St. Patrick. The colour green. Leprechauns. 4-leaf clovers. What did you know?
St. Patrick's Day is celebrated on the 17th of March every year. St. Patrick is one of the patron saints of Ireland. He is said to have died on March the 17th in either 461 AD or 493 AD. He grew up in Roman Britain but was captured by Irish raiders and taken to Ireland as a slave when he was a young adult. Six years later, he returned to his family in Britain. He later returned to Ireland as a missionary. He played an important role in converting the people in Ireland to Christianity. St. Patrick's Day is celebrated in many parts of the world, especially by Irish communities. Ireland, Great Britain, Australia, Canada, America, the Chicago River is dyed green for St. Patrick's Day. Leprechauns are likely based on Celtic fairies. The shamrock was considered a sacred plant. The 4-leaf clover is one of the most common good luck symbols of the Western world. The 4 leaves represent hope, faith, love, and luck.
Learn with Billy.